Okay, so I wanted to take a peek at assignment number 4. So if we click on assignment number 4, you're going to see that we have 3 models with drawings that you're going to be creating, and these are found at the end of chapter 8. So if we go to the end of chapter 8, starts on page 840, and we'll take a peek at each one of these models. So if I go underneath my camera here, the first model you're going to be looking at is the slide mount. So you're going to be creating the model like you would normally, okay? So you'll create the model and you're going to take your screen snip just like you would normally. There's no materials to add. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about the dialog box. Just draw the model and then expand out each one of your features, rename your features like we normally do. Take a screenshot so that we can see everything is fully defined. The next step that you're going to do is you're going to be creating then the drawing for this side mount. The drawing guide is found in this assignment. So the side mount guide is right here in purple. I'm going to click on that. It's going to open up. You can download the PDF if you want to. I'm going to zoom out here, but here is the drawing that you are going to create. So this one, you're going to have 3 views. So you're going to start with your front view first, and then you're going to make a projected view going up, a projected view going to the right, and then an isometric going up and to the right. Okay. Once you have those in place, you kind of maneuver around. You're going to notice that if I look here, I set my scale to make the views nice, like a nice size with room in between, to 1 to 2.5. So when you go into and you go at the bottom right-hand side there and you set your scale, because they're going to probably come in either too big or too large, 1 to 2.5 seems to be a nice size. Okay. So you can use that. You're going to fill in your drawing border and you're going to add all of the dimensions that you see here. They're all 2-place decimals, so you don't have to worry about switching back and forth. Okay. So for that first one, if we go back to our assignment, let's see. Go back to our assignment. You're going to notice that you're going to do the side mount screen snip for 10 points. That's like your model with all the features and the sketches. And then you're going to do the detailed drawing to match the guide for another 10 points. And that's going to be a PDF. Okay. So 2 files for the side mount. Then you're going to do the very same thing for the corner stop. The corner stop is right underneath here. Here's the corner stop. So you're going to do your model, do your screen snip with the sketches expanded and the features renamed. And then you're going to find that the detailed drawing is right up here, corner stop. And you are then going to create your detailed drawing in this format here. You'll notice that if you're wondering about scale, this one, 1 to 2, looks like the scale was what probably came in at that, and then it worked out well. And then lastly, you have that third drawing. So if we go back to assignment number 4, the third drawing is going to be your shaft guides. So if we turn the page at the top of page 842, this is going to be your shaft guide. So again, draw the model first, take the screen snip, and then you're going to find your shaft guide drawing guide right here. And then this will be the 3 views with the isometric and then the title block filled in here as well. Okay. So as we look here, those are the 2 elements for module 5. You have the rest of the time tonight to work on these, and I'm available. And then we'll have time the next week that we meet. So as you know, the rest of this week, we won't have class because it's 4th of July. But on the next time that we meet, we'll take time during the beginning of class to take any questions that you might have and such. Okay. So so first things first, get those models done and then start in on the drawings. Okay. All right, I'm going to stop the recording here.